guys, today I have a new Boxycharm unboxing. This is my September box, I think, yeah, September. So this is the little card for this month. Here comes Nugget to say hello. Say hello. Aww. She's in such a sleepy mode right now, but like since I'm home, it's the weekend, she doesn't take a nap unless like I'm just chilling, like watching TV or something, like crazy. But yeah, here is the little card. It is BTS, whatever that means. I don't know what that means, but yeah, let's get into it. So not super impressed with this box. Let's start with my choice item, and I chose the Blink Glow Getter Face Palette. And here's the box. Let me open it. I haven't swatched any of this, but I did look at it quick just to see what I got. And here is the palette, same packaging as the box. And it looks like it's going to be really pretty. So there's a top row of all blushes, and then this one on the end by my finger probably could be a bronzer, but it's definitely more like red. Don't knock it all over. And then the bottom row is all highlighters, and I think this is really pretty, so I'm excited to use this. This was my choice item. I don't remember what the other choices were, but the other ones didn't stand out to me, so I was just like picked this one by default because I don't remember what they were, but it was like, I don't want those. So I was like, I would probably use this. So that's why I chose this. So it wasn't anything like that I was super like excited about. And that retails for $50. So definitely a pretty pricey item. Okay, and then the next item was this little pouch, and this is a brush set, which comes in this fancy like leather pouch. And this is the Elena Badrow Baby Blue set, and it comes with an angled blush brush, a crease brush, and a liner brush. 3 brushes that I will get plenty of use out of. I use these brushes like every single day, these style brushes every single day. I haven't tried these ones out yet, but I'll put them up in my desk to start trying out. And this set retails for $58. Crazy, I would not spend that. I'm sure if you were like interested in this set, Boxycharm probably has it on the add-ons or pop-up or something for much cheaper, but we're gonna give these a try. They feel really soft. They're not like coarse or dense at all. They're just really soft. So I'm gonna put these up in my little cups and we'll give them a try. And then next we have this Dr. Brandt Triple Oxidant Eye Cream. I haven't checked, actually. I think it's in this tub right here. Hold on. Okay, so they're not the same. Here's what I was gonna say. This is the one that I got in this box, and then this is the one that I got in a previous box probably a while ago. And I thought they were like the same exact product, but this is the one I've been using. It's the Triple Peptide Eye Cream, and this was the Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. So I guess they're different. They look almost like exactly the same. I feel like they're probably gonna do the same thing. They're probably gonna feel basically the same. So I'm not gonna open this one yet because I have this eye cream I'm using, and then I have like a whole bunch that I need to use before I get to this one. So this is kind of like a product. Maybe I'll send it off to my mom because I have a whole bunch in like my back stock, and I think she goes through products like these quicker than me. Anyway, so, but this is still like a really good product to get. And this is $48, which is expensive. Okay, and then next we got another makeup product and another product I don't really care about. So next we got from St. Lux. This is a brow gel. So it's another thing that I can't really show you because I don't open these multiple times, or like multiple of these open at once. I only have one brow gel open at a time. So I'm not gonna open this. It is just a clear brow gel. I'm sure it'll be great. I'll take it out of the box, but yeah. Another product that's kind of just like, okay, I'll get to it at some point. And then last is the Quick Slick Hold My Strays Hair Essence. This just isn't like a product for me. I don't care about my hair. I did just chop it off. But I don't really care if I have flyaways. Like, I'm not one to like take this too. This is what it looks like. So it's basically like a big hair mascara. Essentially like hairspray and a thing. I think I'm gonna give this to my mom and dad, so I'll use it, but like essentially what you do is just like go like that to like slick back your baby hairs. That's just not something I'm gonna do like ever. So I'll send this off to like my mom. Honestly, I feel like my dad doesn't ever use products, but like he's only got a few little hairs up there, so this would probably be good for him because he does use hairspray and like brush it down. But if I could get him to use that, I feel like he would probably like it. But I don't know. I'll probably send it to my mom. We'll see. And that is everything. Oh, that retails for $22, and the brow gel also retails for $22. So that was my entire box. Slightly disappointing. I think the palette will be nice. I just have a lot of makeup. So like I probably won't get as much use out of this as other people would, but I like it. I think it looks pretty. And then like the brow gel, okay. The brushes are nice. I always will take more brushes, but then like the eye cream and the hair mascara thingy, I'll probably send off to my mom. But that is going to be everything for this box. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm this month, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.